Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So today I have come up with a video where I am going to talk about what all you can skip and what all you do not have to read for NABARD Grade A preparation. If you are an aspirant preparing for NABARD Grade A and you might have heard a lot about ki focus on this topic, focus more on these things, focus more on that area. But there is one more important thing that you should note, that what you do not have to do, what all you can skip in your preparation. So for that I have come up with this video, and today I am going to talk about each and everything that you can leave or that you can for now just keep aside if you do not have much time, and you can skip all these things. Rest you can focus on the important part only. But before starting this video, I have an announcement that we have launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook for you. This is your one-step solution to all your queries regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. Students, if you want to see what kind of questions being asked in NABARD Grade A, this guidebook will provide you the previous year questions as well as syllabus for the NABARD Grade A examination. Not only that, you will get the strategy and resources to crack this NABARD Grade A examination, and you can avail all this information just for free. You have to just go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail this guidebook for yourself. So with that, one more request: if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to download the informative PDF regarding NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel. With that, let's start our today's video. So students, very important thing, the phase 1 of NABARD Grade A examination. So here you have to prepare 8 subjects. And I totally understand that preparing 8 subject is quite a task, right? आपको 8 subject पढ़ने हैं, आपको 8 subject की preparation करनी है, आपको हर एक chapter पढ़ना है, and it is quite a task. So if I talk about phase 1, so in phase 1, usually we have 2 sections. One is merit section and another is non-merit section. In merit section, we have ARD, that is Agriculture and Rural Development, and ESI, which is Economics and Social Issues. If I talk about non-merit section, then we have quants, reasoning and English. Now, we have often talked about what is important in ARD, ESI, what are chapters are important for your non-merit section, be it quants, reasoning, English. But today I am going to talk about those things that you can skip for the NABARD Grade A preparation, and whatever I am saying here is just based on the analysis of previous years. Okay, I have done the analysis of previous year questions, and we have set and we have seen that what all you can skip. See, sometimes few aspirants do not have that much time. Okay, few are dedicatedly preparing, so I would say you can read each and everything, you can prepare each and everything just to be safe side. But still there are few aspirants who are working aspirants. There are few aspirants who are who are pursuing some higher studies or doing something else, and along with that they are doing their NABARD Grade A examination preparation and they have less time. So for those, I have come up with this video and I am going to talk about what all you can skip in these parts. So first, if I talk about merit component, here we have ARD and ESI. So students, आपको ARD में क्या करना है? एग्रीकल्चर में सबसे पहले तो एग्रीकल्चर और ESI का you have the syllabus. Very important syllabus आपको पता होना चाहिए. You should know, you should have the idea कि what is given in the syllabus, and accordingly you have to prepare. Now जब एग्रीकल्चर की बात आती है तो स्टूडेंट्स सोचते हैं, स्पेशली वो स्टूडेंट्स जो एग्रीकल्चर बैकग्राउंड के हैं या फिर वो स्टूडेंट जो सोचते हैं कि एग्रीकल्चर बहुत ज़्यादा टफ आती है, तो उनके लिए आई वुड से कि कोर एग्रीकल्चर नहीं पढ़नी है. यू डू नॉट हैव टू स्टडी कोर एग्रीकल्चर, which means you have to have just a general understanding of agriculture and few allied agriculture subject. आपको सिर्फ agronomy, soil science, you have to just study farm engineering, then you have the plantation and horticulture crops, and among this also you have to focus on few key important topics that are already given in the syllabus, right? Then we have agriculture economics extension, then we have the agriculture engineering. Okay, so these are the topics that you have to focus on. But apart from these, in agriculture we have some other topics, like we have pathology, plant pathology, we have plant genetics, we have entomology. So you will see based on our analysis, and also you can analyze this thing, that based on these topics few or no question has been asked in examination. तो इन जब टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछे गए हैं तो व्हाई वी आर वेस्टिंग एनर्जी ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ओके, इफ यू आर डेडिकेटली प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नबार्ड ग्रेड ए, उसके लिए अगर आपको एग्रीकल्चर पढ़नी है तो आपको सिर्फ जनरल एग्रीकल्चर पढ़नी है जो आपके सिलेबस में दिया है. यू डू नॉट हैव टू गो एंड स्टडी कोर एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, स्पेशली दी सब्जेक्ट पैथोलॉजी, प्लांट जेनेटिक्स एंड एंटोमोलॉजी यू कैन टोटली स्किप. Okay, so you do not have to read all these. So if I talk about economics and social issues, so in economics we have two sections. First is macroeconomics and another is microeconomics. If I talk about NABARD grade examination, so for NABARD grade A you have to focus on macroeconomics, not microeconomics. Okay, you can skip microeconomics because less and usually no question is asked on microeconomics. Majorly the focus is on the macroeconomics, so you have to skip microeconomics for ESI. And also students, ESI के लिए भी again syllabus is given. Focus on syllabus, see what all topics are given in syllabus and prepare accordingly. So that was regarding merit section. Again students, see, merit section है, important है. I would say prepare to the extent which you can prepare, but still if you have less time you can skip these things. ठीक है, एग्रीकल्चर में तो स्किप करना ही है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको कोर एग्रीकल्चर नहीं चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो ESI में आपको सिर्फ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़नी है, माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं पढ़नी है. क्लियर? लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन, दैट इज द नॉन मेरिट सेक्शन ऑफ फेज 1. So students, in phase 1 we have quants, reasoning, English. See, computer knowledge and decision making I have not included here because वहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही minimum cut off clear करनी है. वहाँ पे you can just go to the important topics and आपको वही पढ़ने होते हैं. ठीक है, क्या नहीं पढ़ना है quant, reasoning, English में, we have to discuss it here. So if I talk about quants, so in quants there are few topics like data sufficiency, HCF, LCM, permutation and combination. So few topics like these can be skipped in quants because अगेन बेस्ड ऑन एनालिसिस क्वेश्चंस कम या फिर नहीं पूछे गए हैं. तो आपको कैसे डिसाइड करना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है? आप अगर अपने से देखना चाहते हो तो यू कैन जस्ट गो टू द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, यू कैन जस्ट सी कि ऑन विच टॉपिक मोर ऑफन क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग आस्क्ड इन NABARD grade A. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ यू सी दैट देयर इज सम टॉपिक जिससे कोई भी क्वेश्चन 5 साल में नहीं पूछा गया है, दैट मीन्स आप उसको स्किप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई एम टेलिंग दीज थिंग्स. Again, in reasoning, we have data sufficiency, input, output, critical reasoning. You can skip these part for reasoning. And in English, if I talk about particularly in English, so you do not have to focus on grammatical rules. Means यहाँ पे आपको proper grammar के rules याद नहीं करने. In English, you have to focus more on the practice part. Okay, how you can apply. You should have the general idea what are the different rules, how they work, but you have to more focus on the practice part, not just mugging up or learning all the grammatical rules. So now I hope what you have to skip in non-merit section, that especially in quant, reasoning, English is also clear. Now that was all regarding phase 1 कि आपको phase 1 में क्या नहीं करना है. If I talk about phase 2, so students see, phase 2 you have to just keep this thing in your mind is basically your descriptive type. Okay, so here you do not have to write answer and practice. Usually students what they do, initially they write the answer and then try to practice descriptive answer writing, but that is ultimately not helpful. I would again repeat, because here the interface is online and you have to type the answer in the examination. So based on that only you have to do the preparation of descriptive answer writing, and accordingly you have to type, you have to develop the typing speed, you have to develop the skill of answer writing. And जैसा कि एग्जामिनेशन में आता है पैटर्न, जैसे एग्जामिनेशन में होता है, अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर. जो सबसे बड़ी गलती होती है फेज 2 की प्रिपरेशन में, दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग अगेन. एंड यहाँ पे आपको क्या नहीं करना है, यू डू नॉट हैव टू राइट, you have to type the answer and practice while preparing your phase 2. Clear? So in paper 1 also here we have general English, sorry descriptive English. Descriptive English में आपके essay writing, report writing, pressy writing आएंगे. Then again typing speed matter करेगी. आपको इन सब का format पता होना चाहिए, letter writing का format पता होना चाहिए, right? Then paper 2 of if I talk about ESI and ARD, यहाँ पे objective subjective दोनों होते हैं. Objective you can do just like your phase 1, but subjective के लिए that is descriptive part, again you have to type the answer. So again do not write, just type the answer in the keyboard and then practice your descriptive answer writing. Clear? So that was regarding this video, students. I hope you have got the understanding what all you can skip or what all you do not have to read for NABARD Grade A examination. But before closing this video, I have an announcement that we have two courses for you. One is the gold course and another is silver course. If you want to do preparation with us and you want our material, so you can get the gold pack if you want the material for phase 1, phase 2 and interview preparation. And if you are someone who is good in non-merit section and just want the course for phase 2 and interview, you can go for our silver course. Okay, so that was all, students, for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.